Try egg too.
This is as good as fast food in America, William.
This is a fast food? Becky?
I'm just
Little bit. No, this is
I'm like,
good.
what is she saying?
This is between McDonald's and the Burger King.
Kentucky Fried, William. Get your.
I'm sorry. Oh, that have you?
No, that's fine, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was surprised to see KFC in the city.
Yes.
Started out.
William, what is the name of this town?
Subing.
Shubin.
Subing.
Shibi. Okay. Well, we are here in this town of Shibi, and we stopped to take a lunch. As you can see, it's like in McDonald's or Burger King, something like that. But this is more healthy and a lot of dishes.
And Jose just drugged the baby.
Don't say anybody. Please.
Cuando quedas mal. Nicer than Jose, that's the first time he's seen a Mexican.
Yes, I know.